KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my Cantonese style hoisin chicken. It's a really simple, easy dish to do. Let's get on with it and I'll show you step by step. First thing I need to do is make up my sauce and marinade. So here I'm going to add in around about 3 tablespoons worth of a good quality hoisin sauce. I can go straight in, and there are differences between different sauces. And here I've got a little bit of char siu sauce, and I'm going to add in around about the same amount. Alright, I can go straight in, and as you can see, that's got a lot of honey in it. It's really thick and gooey and tastes amazing. Alright, I can go straight in like that. Alright, next thing I've got is a little bit of spicy bean paste, just 1 heaped teaspoon. That can go straight in just like that, and it's going to give us just a nice amount of heat. Around about half a teaspoon's worth of sesame oil, that can go in to our little vessel, and I'm going to add in around about a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons worth of onion powder. I'm going to add in at least 4 tablespoons worth of Chinese rice wine or a Zhaoxing wine. That can go straight in, and about the same again of white vinegar. And I'm also going to add in around about a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half of a sweet soy, like ketchup mayonnaise, right? And there are different types of ketchup mayonnaise, so just be careful with that. And the equivalent of around about 3 cloves of garlic. I'm using a garlic paste. Give that all a good mix through, get everyone to know each other in that little bowl that we're using. Well, not a little bowl, it's quite a large bowl. Add in your chicken thighs. Now, or chicken thigh fillets. I'm using around about 700 grams, maybe a little bit more, but I don't mind having this the next day for lunch. It just tastes so good. You can even slice it up thin and put that on a sandwich with a little bit of lettuce. It just tastes that good. Give that all a good mix through and marinate that for at least an hour. Alright, I've probably left mine just a little bit more, and I'm also going to add in the green part of some spring onion or scallion, and I'm giving them a very generous chop. Right, a little bit of oil on your hot plate. You can use a wok, you can use a fry pan, you can use your barbecue. It doesn't matter as long as it's screaming hot. We will get a real nice searage on these, and we'll end up with a beautiful tender type chicken. Alright, so I'm putting those down for a couple of minutes or so, and I'm going to give those a bit of a flip. And as you can see, that marinade has started to burn. There is a fair bit of sugar already in those sauces, so I don't add anything else. I don't need to add any salt. And with the spicy bean paste, I don't really need to add any pepper. All those flavors just work together magnificently. And the little bit of charred onion that we're going to end up with, again, is going to add some amazing flavor. Now, Mrs. KP is already working on something over on the other side of the kitchen, where we can't put a camera because it's so dark, and we're going to just cook these off until they're cooked all the way through. 74 degrees Celsius on the inside would be absolutely perfect if you're using an internal probe thermometer. But if you're not sure, just get one, slice it open a little bit. Now, Mrs. KP has made up an amazing egg-style fried rice, and we're just going to lay that down as a bed for our amazing Cantonese-style hoisin chicken. And if you haven't tried having a dish like this before, well, you don't know what you're missing. It really does taste that good. So just lay your chicken down straight on top of the fried rice. That chicken is going to be juicy and tender, and the sauce and glaze all over the top of that is going to work with that rice to absolute perfection. So lay down as many pieces of chicken that you like, and the advantage with this, it is actually quite a light meal. Give the chicken a bit of a sprinkle with some white sesame seeds. If you want to toast them, toast them. There's debates in the comments all the time as to whether you toast them or not. I don't bother. I just put it straight on top like that, and it tastes just great to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'd really like to see you try and make this recipe at home. Leave a comment. I love reading, love responding to them. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make different recipes from different cultures and how I do it, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my Cantonese style hoisin chicken, and I will catch you next time. Bye.